Hello, Gypsy Souls. Do you know what day it is? It's Frisky Friday. Frisky Friday. The weekend is just about here, and I couldn't be happier to tell you the truth. I am a little moved from my usual studio. I am at my steel metal mansion. And I'll tell you a little bit about that in a little bit. But welcome, and I'm so glad that you're here. You know, sometimes we need a little help to rev up our romance. And I'm going to be sharing tips with you about that today. I hope that if you're watching the replay, that's great. Go ahead and comment and ask your questions because I'll be coming back to check them. But today we're going to learn how to rev up the romance a little bit with essential oils. My name is Annette Daly. I consider myself an edutainer. I love having fun and I also love teaching. So I'm going to be teaching about an essential oil today that is amazing. Amazing. I am in my steel metal mansion. I have a stick brick house in Virginia, a couple of hours away, and then I also have a permanent camper on the river. Well, I can't push around the camera right now, but they're working on the docks and the pier, and it is so loud. And I'm hoping that you can hear me now because the AC is blaring in my. I love it. I've always wanted a mansion. Now I can call it a steel metal mansion. I love it. Okay. Last week we were talking about an oil that helps your man to feel fabulous, more masculine, more confident, and that was Shutron. Well, this week we're going to talk about the oil that is specifically formulated for women. Woo-hoo. It's called Sensation. And you know why it's called Sensation? It's because it's sensational. It's sensational. And it is a beautiful smell. I'm going to read it because I just love how it's described. A beautiful smell that is profoundly romantic. And I love romantic evenings. And refreshing. It amplifies the excitement of experiencing new heights of self-expression and awareness. Hello, Frisky Friday. Does that not sound like something you would be interested in? Yes, sensation. Oh my heavens to Betsy. In the blend of sensation is ylang. I love saying that word. Ylang. Jasmine, which I really can smell really well, and I love the smell of jasmine. Geranium, bergamot, and coriander. What? Coriander? I cook with coriander, but it's in here. Y'all. So there are all kinds of ways to use sensation that I'm going to be sharing with you in this short broadcast. I sure would love if you would give me a thumbs up, comment below, and share this post. And if you're watching the replay, I would so love if you would do the same thing again. Okay. Well, this sensation is you can diffuse it up to an hour at a time, 3 times a day. It is considered not a hot oil, so only the most sensitive of skin types would need to dilute it. You can put it on your wrist, You can put it in your cleavage. It's also good to put on your ears, right there, right there. Oh my heavens, it smells so good. It smells so good. And we all have different kinds of triggers. And most of the time when we hear that word trigger, the trigger is of a bad thing. Like you just triggered me. But if you were to diffuse this, when you want to trigger something positive, more romantic, more frisky, so that every time that you were to put it in the diffuser, it would trigger you and your spouse to like, oh, I know what that means, and I am anticipating the happy excitement that comes along with it, right? Okay, good. So you can do 2 to 4 drops of that on your wrist or on your ears. We talked about diffusing it every an hour, 3 times a day. It is a wonderfully fragrant, powerfully romantic blend that's formulated to enhance enjoyment of special moments. That's really cool. It is really cool. An oil specifically designed to enhance special moments. Gonna love it. It's arousing and refreshing. Whoa. Me likey. Okay. I have an essential oil recipe that I'm going to share with you. Let me see, make sure I'm not missing any comments. I'm at the, like I said, the steel metal mansion. Not so sure about the the connection that we have here. Is not great. It's not great. Okay, I can't see it. I was like, Johnny Angel, do you have all your computers off? Do you have everything off? Oh well, it's fine. It's fine. Okay, let me share with you the recipe that I have for a massage oil. All you need is a clean, empty spray bottle. Clean, empty spray bottle. I see that my camera locked up again, or the internet. Okay, and then a 1/4 cup of sweet almond or jojoba or jojoba oil. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Jojoba. Does anybody know how to say it right? Anyways, you got this glass bottle and a 1/4 cup of oil, organic, right? You want the good kind on your skin. And then 10 drops of the sensation essential oil. Okay? And then all you have to do, you gotta twist it up. I mean, shake it up, of course. You gotta shake it up. And then you want to have your life partner to spray this on your body, on your legs, on your back, and on your arms, and then enjoy your special moment together. It's that simple. Stress will suck the life out of you and also suck the romance out of your relationship. And so you do have to be intentional, just like you're trying to be intentional of getting your 10,000 steps in a day, just like you're being intentional on drinking your 8 ounces or 8 glasses of water a day. I mean, it is, you have to be intentional, especially if you've been married as long as I have. I've been married a long time. Had to say it. Okay, guys. Let's see. Oh, one caution. Once you start diffusing this, your partner might not leave you alone. Look out. So I have a freebie to offer you. All you need to do is post below, even if you're watching the replay, just write, comment below, date night. That's all you have to do. Just write down below date night, because I have a handout for you, a digital handout for you that is an essential oils for intimacy. And just so you know what kinds of things are in there, recipes for date night, stoke the fire, embers of passion. I mean, I have some really great rev up the romance information for you in this handout, this digital handout. All you have to do is comment below date night and it's yours. Okay, I'm so glad that you joined me for Frisky Friday. It's been great, you guys. You can, if you would like for me to order this sensation for you, I'm putting in an order soon. It is magnificent. If you want to do the his and hers, just let me know. We got the Shootron for him and the sensation for her. And it all is a loving experience. All right, guys. Gypsy souls, I love you. I hope that you have a fabulous Frisky Friday, a wonderful weekend, and a marvelous, marvelous Mother's Day. Peace, love, and serenity now. Thank you for joining me live. Yippee, yippee, yippee. Hey, hey, hey. Love it.